Hi friends, welcome to your own channel, Word is World. In this video, we are going to talk about the most desirable thing that 8 billion people are chasing. Happiness. Watch this video till the end. Happiness is the most desirable, least understood, subjective term. Finland is the most literate, the happiest, and one of the most peaceful countries in the world. It is the only country in the developed world where fathers spends more time with their school-aged children than the mother. People here are more generous, with little or no corruption. Happiness is closely linked to the well-being of a society. Some countries like UAE have appointed Minister of State for Happiness. In the World Happiness Report 2021, India ranks 139 out of 149, way behind Pakistan, Iran, Iraq, Zambia. Happiness is personal, unique, and it's there for everyone. According to Gallup survey, around 85% of the people are not happy with the job or the work they are doing. It's not because of the job. It's not because of the boss. It's not because of the pay. It's not because of the benefits they get. It's because we don't help each other anymore. We have lost generosity. Generosity is doing something for someone else without expecting anything in return at any point of time ever after. Nowadays, we reach to each other only when we need something. Is it? We feel fulfilled or happy when we do something for someone else. It's the only way we get that feeling of happiness. In Gita, holy book of Hindus, it is mentioned that the most brilliant people are confused about what to do and what not to do. Whatever you enjoy after offering something, the feeling you get out of it is happiness. If you don't offer, either you will feel sad or you will feel nothing. But to feel happy, you have to offer something to someone. That's the only way to happiness. We have 4 hormones in our body to be happy. 1. Dopamine, endorphin, oxytocin, and serotonin. Interesting? These hormones are secreted in our body whenever we get rewarded, when someone praises us, whenever we jog, walk, do exercise, when we are around with the people we trust, we are bond with, we are related to, when we do meditation, listen to the music of our choice, when we swim, all these hormones are addictive. Once you start doing things that makes you happy, you will keep doing those things again and again. Finally, to be happy, we have to have an attitude of gratitude. Be honest, be kind, be generous, reach to the friends and people around, appreciate their good work, call and visit your friends regularly, make them feel that you are there. If something goes wrong, hold their hands, give them a warm hug, and it will come back to you. Donor is the receiver of happiness. Let me repeat it. Donor is the receiver of happiness. That's all for the day. Be happy. Keep smiling. Please comment, subscribe and press the bell icon. This is Dhananjay Patil signing out till we meet again in the next video. Bye. Take care. God bless us.